Welcome to Gold Trader Desk. Here is your XAUUSD analysis for April 15th, 2026. The daily chart reveals a bearish structure as price faces strong rejection from the 48.50 to 48.63 resistance zone. Gold is currently testing the critical 48.16 support level, which represents a key decision point for the medium-term trend. A breakdown below this level would expose the 4780 and 4750 support zones, potentially accelerating bearish momentum. The overall daily bias remains bearish until price can reclaim and hold above the 4863 resistance level. On the 4-hour time frame, the rejection from 4850 has formed a clear resistance ceiling. Price action shows increasing selling pressure as gold struggles to maintain above 4,816 support. The bearish scenario becomes invalid only with a sustained break and close above 4863 on this time frame. Current structure suggests further downside potential towards 4780, with 4,750 acting as the next major support target if bearish momentum continues. The hourly chart confirms our intraday bearish bias with price trading below the 20-period moving average on multiple lower time frames. Key resistance remains at 48.50, which has already rejected price action, while immediate support sits at 48.16. The London session presents the highest probability for bearish continuation, as European traders often drive significant momentum moves in gold. A failure to hold 4,816 would likely trigger stops and accelerate the move towards 4780. The invalidation scenario requires bulls to reclaim 4,863 with conviction. Today's trading range appears confined between 4816 support and 4850 resistance, with the bias favoring downside resolution. The 30-minute structure shows clear rejection patterns forming at the 4,850 resistance level. Price is currently consolidating near 4816, creating a compression zone that typically precedes directional expansion. The rejection from higher levels combined with price below the 20 SMA indicates near-term weakness. London session volatility could provide the catalyst for a breakdown below 4816, targeting the 4780 support zone. Risk management should account for potential false breakouts during the session transition. The 15-minute chart displays bearish momentum building as price fails to reclaim the 20 SMA after the rejection from 4850. Local resistance has formed at 4830, creating a descending structure that pressures the 4,816 support. Any rallies towards 4830 to 4840 present potential short opportunities in line with the bearish bias. Confirmation of bearish continuation would come from a decisive break below 4816, opening the path to 4780. The 5-minute time frame reveals immediate selling pressure as price tests 4,816 support. Short-term traders should monitor this level closely for breakdown confirmation. Stop placement above the recent swing high near 4,830 provides logical risk definition. Quick scalps may target the 4,800 psychological level initially, with 4,780 as the extended target. The 1-minute chart shows bearish momentum accelerating with price below all short-term moving averages. Key scalping level remains 4816, with immediate downside targets at 4,847.90. That wraps up today's gold analysis. Join the free gold channel for daily XAUUSD updates. VIP access is available only for correctly linked Exness accounts. Use the bot below to check your status. All links are in the description. Trade safe.